crazy?
Oh, I love crazy.
All my life I've been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bumped into you.
I was thinking the same thing because I have been through my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party or the chocolate fondue.
But with you, I see your face, and
there's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
love is an open door with you.
With you.
Love is an open door.
It's crazy.
What?
We finish each other.
Sandwiches.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Lemons, the ones who think so much like me.
Jeez again. Mental synchronization can't have no one explanation.
You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Life can be so much more with you.
With you.
Love is an open door.
Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes. Woohoo!